Question. Example 3, standardized test scores. So a lot of test scores are normally distributed. That's how that looks. So it's going to follow like a normal distribution. So in order to get into many schools in the States, one must write and do well on standardized tests. A test, just any given test, has a maximum score of 1,000 with a mean score. So the average is 740 and the standard deviation is 80. So we can write this down. 740, and we have 80. Okay, so scores on this test are normally distributed. Only those applicants scoring above the third quartile, so this is the top 25%, will be admitted into the program. Lauren scores 822. Is she admitted into the program? So this question is a little backward. Instead of finding the Z-score, what we're actually given is we're given a percentage. So when we think about top 25%, we actually think about 75%. So we think about this normal distribution, and we think about all the probabilities up until 75%. Okay, so that's actually what we're looking for. So in the middle, let's graph the 740. Okay, standard deviation of 80, and Lauren scored 822. So let's just plot this here, just for an example, 822. So what this is actually giving us is this is giving us the percentage, and this question is backwards because we need to look on the table for the Z-score and then solve for the minimum Z-score needed. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so taking a look at 75%, what I'm doing is I'm going to actually go in the middle of this, like where the Z-scores are, and I'm going to actually look up 75%, and we're going to get as close as possible. So we see here 75.8, and we see here 75.49, and keep moving down. So I think it's going to be between one of these, 75.17 and 74.86. The closer one to 75, let's choose, this is 14 off, this is 17 off, let's choose this one. Okay, and it's going to sometimes be approximate like that. So this 75% has the Z-score of 0.67. So 0.67 is that Z-score. So going back to this question, if we actually wrote out the Z-score, so Z equals X minus mu over sigma, well, the Z-score is, I had to look it up, 0.67. Okay, and we know the average is mu, and the standard deviation 80, the average is 740. What we don't know is that cutoff. So we're not actually subbing in Lauren's marks. What we're doing is we're finding the cutoff, and then we're going to see if Lauren meets that. So all we want to do right now is cross multiply. So we get 0.67 times 80. I get 53.6. Okay, and then what we're going to do is just simply bring over the negative 740. Okay, so we add 740 to that. I get X equals 793. Let's see if this one works. 793.6. So the cutoff in order to score in the top 25% is 793.6. Therefore, Lauren will make that cutoff because she scored 822. And you can write a therefore sentence. Okay, or Lauren will be accepted into the program. Either one.